Hi, Jim here at OCRVCenter in beautiful Yorba Linda. Today we got Aaron picking up his 2020 Sprinter van. He had a pretty bad accident on the front of it, and we've had it for a couple of months. I pulled the engine, do some serious frame repair, and about $50,000 in repairs. Just wanted to touch base with Aaron. Aaron, how does it look?
I honestly couldn't tell there was ever an accident. I rented the vehicle. Be very careful when you rent a vehicle because they surely won't take the same care you do, but I just got here. I couldn't tell this thing was an accident at all. Looks like the day I got it. I'm very happy. Jim was incredible customer service. Really appreciate it.
Glad you're happy, Aaron.
Easy to talk with, and
Beautiful.
I'm looking forward to getting on the road.
Wonderful. We'll get you on the road here. We're very glad you're happy, and don't forget to call us at OCRV for all your Sprinter needs.